You know, when you are struggling, you wish ukuthi umhlaba ungaphela manje so that you can go to heaven. So poor religious individuals baqile kakhulu ekutheni umhlaba ubhubhe as soon as possible so that they can see the kingdom of the Lord because they are suffering. Sahamba nama ngithi asimove. Now we are moving. Even the songs themselves, before we move, even the songs themselves. Kulungile baba makuyintando yakho noma kwenzeka izinto ezibuhlungu empilweni zethu. Those are songs for poor religious individuals. Once you start going to churches whereby the church congregates are well off, the songs are different. The blessings of the Lord is He, Mama. The blessings of the Lord, they are completely different from those who are from the poor backgrounds. You understand? Even the teachings themselves, they are very different. Lapa, they teach you about hope and patience. You understand? Because it's easy for them to teach patience because bahleli kahle angithi. So uma bakutshela ukuthi linda, to them money is not a problem. The conversations they engage in are different from those from the poor religious ignorant.